Hey guys, it's Serena, and for today's video I filmed a full face of influencer collabs, kind of like beauty guru collabs. I use such things like Kim Ty's Lashes collab, Dose of Colors, Desi and Katie, Jackie Aina, La Peach, Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. I use Shayla's, Patrick's, literally a whole bunch of beauty influencers and beauty gurus collabs all into one full face. Now I will say a couple things in this tutorial aren't from necessarily beauty gurus or influencers, but I did use like the Fenty foundation and stuff, which is Rihanna. People be texting me. As I was saying, I did use the Fenty foundation, which is by Rihanna, and the primer and stuff, which she isn't really like a beauty influencer, but she pretty much is because she has her own makeup line and brand, so she's an influencer to me, but not like a YouTube beauty guru, I guess. And also I did not have a concealer or a bronzer that was beauty guru related, so those are the only few things that I didn't use that were kind of from beauty gurus, but all the rest were from like celebrities, so like Rihanna, Karrueche, people like that. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it, and y'all, to be honest, I'm wearing a beanie because girl, I just did not want to do my edges. Like, I'm about to go somewhere, I'm about to get my nails done, like finally, but I just did not have time to be doing my edges today. I don't have time for it. I wanted to sit down, film this video, and relax without worrying about my hair. Okay. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to subscribe. I'm so thankful I hit 2K, so thank you guys so much. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and also click that notification bell to be notified every time I post. But yeah, without rambling on, let's just get on with this video. Alright guys, so starting off with this tutorial, I'm going to be starting off with one I already done as per usual. So I'm going to be hopping into the most famous Jaclyn Hill palette. We all know about this collaboration with Morphe, so I'm going to be going into the shade Puke and putting that all into my crease and creating a transition shade. Then I'm going into the shade Roxanne and deepening up my crease. By the way, I'm using a Colourpop blending brush. It's just the original blending brush in the style, what is it, E2. So I'm just taking that and blending it all up in my crease, and then I'm taking the shade Jax and going back in, just deepening it up to make it an even more darker burgundy brown shade. Then I'm going to be cutting my crease with my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. All shades and everything will be down below in the down bar, but I'm just going to be cutting my crease in the center, not like from the front to the end, just in the center for a halo eye. I'm making the top part of my cut crease a little bit longer and wider, and the bottom part more skinnier, just so it doesn't look too big of a halo eye. Just kind of follow along, you know, get what I'm saying. Then I'm taking these shades Beam and Queen and mixing the two together on a flat brush and spraying it with some rose water to make it more metallic, and mixing those two shades together and putting them on my lid to create kind of like a vanilla kind of vanilla kind of golden shade, I guess. Then I'm just blending the edges together with a little bit more of these shades that I used in my crease earlier. Then I'm taking the shade Silk Creme and putting it on my brow bone in order to highlight. Then for mascara, I'm taking the collab with MakeupShayla and Maybelline, and it's the big Colossal one. It's such a pretty packaging. I love this mascara, y'all. Super good and nice, and leaves my lashes very cute. So I'm putting that on, and then I'm following up with the Kim Ty and the Cake Face Beauty collab lashes in the style Lionhearted.
It's why cheap 400, I got a question to ask. Would you suck dick for licking big balls for the handbag? Would you bet the money make her do it? I bet the money make her do it, make her do a backflip.
And after my song break, this is how my eyes turned out. Super cute, super nice. Absolutely love how they turned out. And then onto the face, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Primer and my Fenty Beauty Foundations. Obviously, this isn't really a beauty guru collab, but you know, it's Rihanna. I feel like she's a beauty influencer herself. She does have a makeup line, so she does qualify in my book for a beauty influencer, but I'm going to be taking her foundation and primer and putting that on my face for my base. Then for concealer, I did not have a concealer collab, so I'm just going in with my Colourpop concealer in the shade Tan and highlighting my entire face with that. So then for the powder to set, I'm taking my beloved Patrick Starrr and MAC collaboration powder, you guys. This powder is amazing. It's so good, no flashback, and I'm just setting my entire face with it. For my blush, I'm going into my Becca and Jaclyn Hill collab and taking the middle blush shade in Amaretto and putting that on my cheekbones. Then for highlight, I'm going to be taking my Dose of Colors Decay and Katie collab. I love this highlight, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's in the shade Midame, so I'm taking that and putting it in all the places that I normally highlight. And we couldn't top it off without some jacket. Hey, so I'm taking the La Peach highlighter. You guys know I absolutely love this. I love all these collabs, honestly. But I'm just going to be taking that and topping it off because y'all know we cannot do this video without some Jackie. Then for lips, I'm taking my Karrueche and Colourpop collab and lining it with the K lip liner. I know obviously Karrueche's a celebrity, but if she does have a collaboration with Colourpop, then she's obviously a beauty influencer, so I'm taking that lip liner. And then I'm going to be following up with the Decay and Katie Dose of Colors collection, their lipstick in More Creamer Please, and putting that in the center. And then once again, a Karrueche and Colourpop collab, I'm taking her lip gloss and just putting that right in the center. Again, all shade names will be below. Then I'm just finishing off with some setting sprays. You guys know Scandinavia is my favorite, so I'm taking that and spraying it all over. This is the end of the beauty guru / beauty influencer full face of collabs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. I absolutely love how this look turned out, y'all. It's super glowy, super glam, and I'm definitely gonna have to start recreating this more often. But yeah, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as clicking the bell button notification button to be notified every time I post, as well as following me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. You know what I have: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Tumblr, Spotify. All of the above will be down below in the down bar directly linked, as well as the end card of this video. Should be sure to add me, as well as my snippety Snapchat. Y'all know it's so lit over there. Please screenshot that bit and add me, because you guys will never miss out on my daily life, because my daily life is pretty interesting, if I say so myself. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.
So good, pussy so good. If I could quit my job and fuck you all day shit, I would. Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would. If I could quit my job and fuck you all day shit, I would.